The XRPOD candle is going to be the topic of this episode because it is coming up. We are going to have a conversation. An upcoming feature will allow us to look back at previous market cycles and assess where we are now. Then we will revise our 3 Bitcoin bull run predictions and discuss what we think the future holds. The show features them, but we won't be talking about them anymore. All right, let's get going because Sunday's markets look promising. The market value of Bitcoin exceeds $1 trillion. Cap! It seems like very few people are talking right now. You won't hear much about Bitcoin's recent price of $51,938 because we're not where we were during the previous cycle in 2021, when its market valuation surpassed $1 trillion. The current rate is 1.74%, and it will reach $2,810. It's making a little push, folks. It's up 2.84% to 56 cents. On XRP, you should be able to see it right now. We need to break through the 61 cents and 58 cents levels of resistance. The total market cap of cryptocurrencies would surge to 75 cents, or about $2.978 billion, if those two obstacles were to collapse. I've decided to start writing in a little notebook every Monday. All cryptocurrency market capitalization will be recorded in that way. On Mondays, we will look at it to see if any fresh money is getting into the market or if it has already departed. The price of Bitcoin is another topic we'll be covering. Ethereum, Ripple, and right now, in order to find out where these markets are going and if money is migrating from Bitcoin to Ethereum, XRP, or any other cryptocurrency, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or XRP, I'm going to start recording when new capital enters the market. On top of that, we will be looking at their XRP right now as our first item every Monday. Do not misunderstand me. I am not criticizing love. We are hoping for such outcome in this case. As an observation, and this leads us into our next tweet segment, we would be thrilled if XRP and Bitcoin both managed to stay above $48,500. It would be fantastic if Bitcoin could keep its upward momentum above $485 and XRP could go as near to $1 as feasible. However, our XRP price predictions may require a reassessment in the event that occurs. Consequently, it is imperative that you be prepared. We could expect XRP to reach double digits today, 10 times since this bull run began. Behold, THM folks, this has been released, and I am absolutely smitten. Buyers and sellers may now easily find the right NFTs when browsing XRP ledgers thanks to an upgraded API and new feature. The ability to narrow your search to NFT buyers or sellers is fantastic. It was completely trouble-free for BuyTop. While working at the Lux Lions lab, I used her API to produce owls. Their platform is quite smooth and fast, and BAP's API callouts are great, thus I appreciate using it. Before you even think about looking into NFTs, you should check out a wallet. Going to BN and inputting in the XRP wallet allows you to see every NFT that the user has or is selling, which is a really good function. They only lately included, it felt like an eternity ago, but it was 7 days ago, on February 11th, and got it perfectly. I had previously tweeted that. Will Bitcoin's price continue to rise? We certainly are. Let's say we're down 4-1. Are we now at a 4 out of 4? Have we not got 3 for 3 or 4? I failed to account for the $52,000 range for Bitcoin for 4 of them. After we accomplished these objectives, we were perfect. There was talk of me revising the thread in which you were involved. In the videos from yesterday, we will look into this and make an update. We can skip the weekly closure if we don't want to, but I had planned to. We're moving forward with this plan. Yeah, it's a bit fuzzy, but hey, we're just 3 of us. Observing Bitcoin, the charts, and the price action we're seeing today gives me no ill will. After staring at it for 3 minutes, I decided against bringing it up in our next meeting. If Bitcoin closes February above $48,500, the projection will be updated after the monthly close. Approximate time frame is 2 weeks. There is a slight reduction in the ball run. All you need to know is that we have been successful with each of our prior calls, so this will be our fourth. After making accurate predictions when Bitcoin was in the 40s, we saw a rise to 48. Our 30s are just around the corner, as previously mentioned. Got it down to 39. We told you that Bitcoin would hit $50,000 to $52,000 after the 39. Our goal is to achieve a perfect score by the end of February, which is in around 2 weeks, assuming Bitcoin can close above $48,500. The bull run in Bitcoin has begun. If prices continue at their current levels, investors should brace themselves. From what we can gather, the price of XRP is expected to be close to $1 soon. I'll take anything between, excuse the pun, 75 cents and $1, which would change our projections and safe bets. It would boost them if their XRP price ranged from $3 to $650. Assuming we hit my target range of 75 cents, we can expect an incredibly conservative estimate of $8 to $10, up from the astronomically massive $650. Please, XRP, give me more than $5. Later on, you will only require 2 weeks. Rip has decided to resign from his position and spend his retirement doing what he loves. It is creating video. Okay, guys, we need to post that boom. Everything is up and running. Join us inside, and we will examine it and perhaps save it. In a few weeks, we can do this. My feeds header displays all of my prior predictions. In the last cycle, after the Satoshi flop, Bitcoin took nearly 18 months to achieve its new all-time high of $69,000. About 18 months following the halving, that cycle hit a new record high of $19,500. As well as the conclusion of this cycle is anticipated for the year 2025. As far as Mark Twain is concerned, it is still in its infancy. This cycle, which will last until 2025, has already been covered. As a result, the Satoshi flipper is thinking about previous cycles. He thinks this might continue till 2025 comes to a close. Some have speculated that this would be the beginning of a long bull market, while others have used more technical terms such as supercycle to describe it. There's been little to no movement in the cryptocurrencies, so everyone should get off the tables. It is still early, after all. We haven't really witnessed these leading coins move in a parabolic fashion, but they're going to have moved 10 or 15 times. The development of a 510/15/20x move is ongoing. A fraction of them is worth 50 cents in XRP. Still, we're talking about 6x on it to get to his career high, and that is what will transpire. A good